2017 Ford Fusion with a cracked flex plate. You want to hear? It's a 1.5 liter Eco Junk. I'll start it up so you can hear it real quick. All right, so got a lot of the stuff off the top unbolted. Got it set up with the engine hoist up there, or whatever that bar thing's called. So now we're gonna start taking off some stuff up here or down here. Get this subframe moved. You know, mount out the way. Take this rack. Probably gonna unbolt it. I think that's what we got to do on these so you don't damage them or something. And we got one line up there or something right. Where's it at? Let's see if we can get on camera. That thing needs to be slipped out with that hose right there where the light's on. Goes to the top of the trans. And you got a couple bolts back here. So let's see. It's not that fun, boy. It is not that fun. But it's whatever. Alright. So we got, let's change this camera around. How do you do this? Come on, get on there, boy. Alright. Draining the oil. So from what I can tell, this starter is crammed underneath the intake. So right about there. Ooh. Yeah, right there. Now you can see better. So it ain't gonna move anywhere. I guess this dropping the oil pan would be easier just to get the torque converter bolts off the flex plate before removing it all. Because I don't know, boy. How could you cram, unless you take the intake manifold off, which I'm not trying to do, but we'll see. We got most bolts out, axles are out, both sides. Spindles just laying around. Got the rack unbolted. So we'll see. And I was charging one of my batteries for the hatch. And this battery got like dummy hot, boy, and it was smoking out the vent. I kept smelling like mashed potatoes. This smelled like a bunch of mashed potatoes in the back, like this, the aroma. And I was like, ooh, that smells good. I was like, but what is it? Like, what is causing this potato smell? And it was the battery. All right. All right. Oil pan off. As you can see the converter bolts on the flex plate itself. So we'll get that. I got one more. Where's my light at? I got one more. Where's it at? Bro, ain't got no room up in this mug. I think I just gotta slip that little thing out next. And then hopefully we can get this to separate. Alright, BRB. Alright, so now we got subframe, you know, tilted. Let's see what else we got going on here. Whoops. Yeah. I just supported the radiator, condenser, and all that stuff, just in case. I want no lines breaking. That thing came out pretty good. I don't think it damaged nothing as it fell. Oh, okay, that can come out. Bruh, I keep getting oil stuck on me. Hold on. Ew, I hate cars, bro. So nothing else looks like it's been damaged. Everything looks pretty free. Looks Gucci up in there. Rack don't look like it was damaged either. Ooh, they pulled that out though. Yeah, this is a boot. Hopefully that this extends, but we'll see. That's all I'm open for, is that doesn't do no shit. All right, see what happens. All right, now, trans is separated, converter's pushed back. I don't see nothing binded for real. I'm gonna push it, gap it a little so I have some room for the flex plate, and I'm gonna yank that bad boy out of there. All right, now we got the bolts. Put that in there. Yeah, Loctite. We should be using like red, but whatever. Don't want to make it hard for the next man, because you already know that these Ford ones are gonna. Look at that. What's different? What's different on them? Oh, we just welded it. Oh, penetrated it more. All right, let's get it in. I don't have my tools from my old job. I'm gonna bring them over here. Oh. Where? All right, got the trans back in, everything bolted up. About to go test drive it. No more noise. Let's go.